This tutorial will teach you how to reposition a press stud. In this video, the press stud is repositioned to make the shirt cuff bigger. This technique can also be used to let out or take in skirt and pant waistbands where there are press studs. You will need a tape measure, scissors or snips, an ordinary sewing needle, an erasable pen or chalk, and thread. First, measure your wrist, waist, or area the garment is intended to fall. I am ensuring it will be loose enough to fit comfortably. Then, mark this on the inside to hide mistakes using the erasable pen or chalk. You may have to adjust your fabric to ensure you measure everything correctly. Make sure this lines up vertically with the other side. Cut the original press stud out using your scissors, taking care not to cut the fabric. Then, cut a length of thread twice as long as your forearm and thread your needle. With ends together, tie a knot at the end of your thread. Poke your needle through the mark you made at the back of your garment, ensuring it lays flat. And thread one hole of the press stud on. Then push the needle back into the fabric next to the hole. Repeat this process until that side is secured, and then move on to each of the other sides, ensuring it is tight as you go. Turn over to the wrong side and knot and cut your thread, then check it fits the way you intended. Repeat this process, including cutting off the existing press stud as many times as required. Finally, check the fit and you're finished.